आरंभ करिया ताले आउ थे आपण मानक समस्त को बहुत 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 धन्यवाद। या पूर्वर जो आम करथिले जो पायोनियर मीट से आम एते एक्साइटेड थिलु आम कहलु वी कैन नॉट मिस इट आमर कन्वेंशन पाई आल्सो वी कैन नॉट मिस इट। प्रथम क्वेश्चन जदि मु पचारि जदि आपण मानक कि आपण जेतेबेले आसिले हाउ वाज इट व्हेन यू लैंडेड इन यूएस आपण मानक किछि जदि अल्प अल्प किछि कहबे विल रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट आपण समस्त भितर।
आमे जेतेबेले आसिलु सेतेबेले जणा पड़तला बहुत गाड़ी आस्तिलु सेठु पहुंचिलु ने अनेक बात आस्छु एवं we must thank you all for the leadership you have taken, particularly the young people. You are taking the leadership. Asla bolu प्रचुर enthusiasm पाइथिलु समस्त बहुत साहाय्य करथिले particularly आमे जब पहुंचिलु उड़िया जो माने थिले जो जगह रे माने very dedicated to her welfare. They did a great job and समालोचना आरंभ करिया करो कि कोई दो nothing much you can do but we did a great job.
Actually ମୁଁ जोस्ना कहूची ये तो आसीथिले बहुत आगुरु 2.5 वर्ष आगुरु आसीथिले मु आसला परे भी मोर फास्ट थिला न्यूयॉर्क रे ओसा कन्वेंशन एंड मोर मने अछि पटलक सब हेतिला आमे रहिथिलु सब असाइन हेतिले सब किए का घरे रहिबे आमे रहिथिलु सरदिनुंगो घरे ससियंगो घरे एंड सब बहुत भलो लागुथला काहे कि ना सेतले बहुत कम ओडिया थिले आमे मु भी तो बहुत होमसिक थिली तेनु सेते बेले जहा जो हांडी रे पूरा बड्डो हांडी रे रंधा हला एंड समस्त नै करी गले ओटा हॉल को एंड सेतरे ड्रामा हेतला पेटेंट मेडिसिन लता देथिला डायरेक्शन एंड मु राता राती मते गोटे रोल दे देला से दैट मते गोटे रोल करे को पड़ला and so it was very very interesting actually mu ette far jai paribini kimiti how I felt but I felt at home and bahut khushi lagutla kahe ki na amara ethnic group sabu jodio besi odia nathile kintu sabu misigiri creative way re kimiti ekati hothile so that creativity is and also informality kintu mu kochi 70 I think it was 77 maybe 76 or 77 I believe 77 so mu astil 76 re so samaste khia pya karikiri bibhinno loka assigned hoitile kintu you know it was amazing that kemiti coordination ta kete sundar heitila actually mane kon cultural program habo and kon kiye randhibo किए को बाटरू आसीबो किए पकुड़ी करके आनिमो पूरी आलू दम करके आनिमो सो वाशिंगटन रु प्रताप एंड तार स्त्री छवि नानी छवि अपा सेमान सब आसिकरी सब आलू दम पूरी सब बाटरे धरिकरी सब आस्तिले मोर मन पुछि and so it really was really a great start मु नुआ न्यू कमर हिसाब रे बहुत एन्जॉय करथिली मोर मन पुछि and वर्तमान of course aji ame बहुत proud that you know we have come a long way you know mu to bahut bhi participate kare normally you know in women's forum and all these things and so that is an opportunity for me to you know to give awareness to people and also in the process mu bhi nije bahut learn karichi going to osa
अति सुंदर सिटी कोन मोसा कोन कहि बोली कोथिले
मु असली 69 रे असली फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस होउची कहि जाउची साउथ डाकोटा vast land, no people. So this is the South Dakota I came alone, and there is a big story behind everything. My wife joined in 73. 73. So say time re मुझे तबले असली साउथ डाकोटा कहूची सेठी हमरो दुई जण ओडिया बड थले सेटा होची सेउट आरंभ होची कथला मुझे पहुंचली संगे संगे मु हे गली गोटे इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन रो इंडियन इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन रो प्रेसिडेंट हे गली एके मु कहली कोन दुईटा लोक ओडिया कोन अछंती माने 8 ना 17 जण अछंती इंडियन अछंती मेन काम हला केमि ताकू टिके पढेबा परिकरी 127 करेली सेही टाइम रे हमर गौरव थांती एठी बस्टन रे और से हमर ओडिया पे लागिचनी मु कहली गोटे कथा करंतु आपण करंतु आमे हेलु माइनॉरिटी आपण ले मेजॉरिटी प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू द माइनॉरिटी जेम सांगई के हमें करिबा from that time we have been together with OSA जहा कथा हमर कहला हमें सांगई तो सब इवेंट को जाइछो इन कथा ला कि कहीं कहबे जे कहीं आपण के इपुडे प्ले आसले आपण वाइफ के नहीं के आसले नहीं सब थरे अछि सैक्रिफाइस
रात्रे टिके गियर पके डाली नाही
मृत्युंजय
with a pride I can say with a sacrifice my definitely thanks to my wife
सॉरी कोन
अनि म्यूट रखि पारि
हां हां
जते बेले आई एटा को हमर जणिया कथा कोन मोर काम हला I have to share with you my feelings my support for my community and support for others छड़ी तो कहीं की छाड़ी के असले कहले अपन को स्त्री की छाड़ी केंद्र पळे असले ये कई दिन अपन मन सब बरे जानी में मोर एटा गर्वर कथा अपन मन को समस्त रहबो मोर रूममेट उसके पड़ी गला ये पड़ी गला मु असिस्टेंट से पाउ जेती की ता भीतर निजे खर्च करी ताकू चळेई करी हबनी केबे तणु आनी वाइफ के आनी पालिनी पो को आनी पालिनी जोम पाठ सरी गला संगे संगे नहीं के आसिल तांगो संगे संगे नहीं के आसिली एनीवे विथ गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग सब थरे ब्लेसिंग अछि भगवान को ब्लेसिंग सकासे मु आसिली साउटाकोटा से साउटाकोटा रे वो कन्वेंशन ताको कहूछ मैं कहबी तो तार संगे रे जानिया दरकार होछ कोन ना भगवान को आशीर्वाद रे साउटाकोटा आसी जी साउटाकोटा न आस्ताती मु होछि सबरो गोटे जिनस आपण मान को टिके हिंट्स दउछि गोटे प्रोबायोटिक गोटे सेक्टर आपण ना सुनिछनी अमेरिका रे कनाडा रे मु जदी न आसी थाती साउटाकोटा को मुझे साउटाकोटा फूड एंड ड्रग रे काम न कर थाती ए प्रोबायोटिक ता कोन के जानि पर न थाते भगवान का आशीर्वाद रे आई गॉट ए चांस टू नो व्हाट प्रोबायोटिक इज एंड व्हेयर वी आर एंड व्हाट टू बी डन प्रोफेशनल साइड भगवान का देहरो सेटू आई डिड सम रिसर्च आई फाउंड the probiotic has been used in past for animal for livestock so janili jodi eta mane for ye pig pe jodi hei paribo monogastric pe eta human pe hei paribo saudakota sete bele mo paఠ पढी के जे चाकरी कली I am the director of food and drug for the state of South Dakota, not Washington, but I had all the authority to do things not only confined to the state, it was beyond. It was settle janili that was a very alluring job. But usual opportunity mo paili se opportunity re kon hala taku chakri chhadi आरंभ कली प्रोबायोटिक कंपनी आरंभ कले प्रोबायोटिक ना के जानते नहीं घटना के जानते नहीं आज टुडे from starting from zero and awareness was almost 10% at that time, less than 10%, and today it is a household word. Again भगवान का आशीर्वाद रे मुझे जो नॉइस पैड थांती सेठी की एजेंट से कोडी पर न थांती he brought me to South Dakota काई कहूची सॉरी तो मिनेसोटा आई के मिनेसोटा होची मोर कर्म भूमि इट इज द बिग प्लेस about now 50,000 Indians are there I am their leader I am the chairman of Hindu Society of Minnesota the biggest temple of America 44,000 square foot temple with 80 acres land रे हेची मु चेयरमैन थिला भितरे से मंदिर आरंभ होइतला आरंभ तापर लागिला बाहर शिल्पी नै कि तक हम कंप्लीट करिछु and it is just like a all in one any temple you like to see they are all there replica of our Jagannath temple Ganesha temple सब अछि ता भितर अछि anyway भगवान को दयार से जिंस हे परिछि किंतु मो अपॉर्चुनिटी कोन पाइली आई जो प्रोबायोटिक बिजनेस टा को आरंभ कली सेटा को करिया पे all the opportunity I got there today the sector has grown from 10 million to 60 billion dollar our company and which I sold last week Last week it has been sold. I'm not retired. They kept me. They kept me not as retired. You cannot compete against you, Dr. Das. You have to definitely stay with us somewhere, somehow. But anyway, that is that part of the things. I have been actively involved with, coming back to OSA, actively involved with OSA from the day one. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଗୌରବଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସମ୍ପୃକ୍ତ ନେଇକି କହିଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସେତିକି ବଳଠୁ ମୁଁ ଅଲରେଡି ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ଅଛି ଏଭ୍ରି କନଭେନସନ୍ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରେ ସବୁବେଳେ କୁହେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମ ଏ ବୁଢ଼ାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଫଙ୍କସନ୍ ହଉଛି ଏ ଛୁଆମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କାହିଁ ହଉନି ଲେଟ୍ସ ଡେଡିକେଟ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଡେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଭେଟିବା ତାଦିନ ଡେଡିକେଟ୍ କରାଯାଉ ଛୁଆମାନେ ପିଲାମାନେ ୟଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କରାଯାଉ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡଲ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ କରାଯାଉ ସେଇଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଥିଲା ତାପରେ କରାହେଇଛି ସେ ଦିଗମ୍ବର ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଆମେ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ କରିବା ଦିନେ ଗୋଟେ ୱିଣ୍ଟର କନଭେନସନଟା ହଉ ଆମର ଏଠି ହଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ମାନେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ହଉ କରିକିରି ଆମର ହେମନ୍ତ ସେନାପତି ନାଁଟା ଆପଣମାନେ ଶୁଣିଥିବେ ହେମନ୍ତ ସେନାପତି ଏଠି ସୁବିନା ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ନାଁରେ ଆମର ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ମିଶିକିରି ସୁବିନା ବିଶ୍ୱାଳକୁ ଆମେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଦେଇ ଆସୁଛୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ହେମନ୍ତର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ କରିବୁ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ସେରିମନି କରିବା ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କରିବା ତେଣୁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଯିଏ ବୋର୍ଡରେ ଯିଏ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହବ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଅନର କରିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଥାର୍ଡକୁ ଅନର କରିବା ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ 15 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲା ସେଟା କରାହେଇ ଆସୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଆମର ହେମନ୍ତର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଶିକିରି ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଟା କରି ଆସୁଛୁ ଆଉ 7 ଥର ଚିଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କନଭେନସନକୁ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏନ୍ଆର୍ଓ ନାଁରେ କରୁଛ ଏନ୍ଆର୍ଓ ସଂଖ୍ୟା 5, 7, 8, 10 ହଉଛି ନା ସବୁ ଯାକ ଏନ୍ଆର୍ଓ ଲୋକ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁର ରାମ କରିଦେଲା କହିଲା ଭାଇନା ଭାବୁଛି ସେତେବେଳକୁ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିଛି ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ଆମର ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ କନଫରେନ୍ସ ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ କହିଲା ମୁଁ କଣ ପାଶେ ରହିପାରିବି ରହିପାରିଲିନି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିପାରିଲିନି I heard PCJ Kuku has revived. I think new executive member I have nothing but to congratulate. Please keep up that good work and again you have all my support.
Thank you so much
award दिया ହେଇଛି ଏ ବର୍ଷ ଯେମିତି ସେ ଆୱାର୍ଡଟା ଆମର ଯୋଉ ହଉଛି କନଭେନସନ ହଉଛି ଜୁମ୍ ରେ ହଉଛି ସେ କନଭେନସନରେ ସେ ଆୱାର୍ଡଟା ଯେମିତି ଏ ବର୍ଷ ବି ଦିଆଯାଉ
ନିଶ୍ଚୟ
request to you ଓଷା ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ଆମର କରିହବ ଯାହା ମୁଁ କରିପାରିବି ଉତ୍ତର ନ୍ୟୁ almost all new that I have a foundation ସାଇନ୍ଟା ଦେଖଉଥିବ Dr. Das foundation I can dedicate some good money so that we can have some event.
Thank you so much Musa. You covered पूरा आपण आसीबाठू वर्तमान जाय कवर कर देले. That is so nice of you. किंतु let's go back now अत्रे आमे we want to hear सेते बड स्टोरी आ कि सुनिया चाहछु मु पचारि परि जति लालमोसा आपण माने कनाडा रे केमती आपण कर आरंभ हितला सेठी
मु तोला आसिली
आज्ञा
तबले माने मु आसिकी पहुंचली वैंकूवर रे आ दिगंबर जो कहले बलद गाड़ी रे एक्चुअली बलद गाड़ी माने jet planes were not in the service those days so propeller planes had propeller planes
को ईयर रे थिला सेटा
1959 रे आसिकरी so from Calcutta to Bangkok to Hong Kong to I think Saipan or some place in the middle of the Pacific, then to Honolulu, then to Seattle, then to Vancouver. Acha. So when I arrived, there was no Odia I knew. There was no Odia at all in the city. So when I arrived, I didn't know where to go. But I remember the feelings. As soon as I came out in the airport and my first steps into Canada, and I saw a strange scene, lots of cars, trucks, etc., which you had not seen. But my feeling at that point is as if I have always been here. It's not like I was seeing a strange land, because I had read so much about it that I knew, I mean, it was something. But because I didn't know what to do at the airport, I went back to the airline counter and said, look, I'm a foreign student. I don't know anybody. I don't know how to go to the university. Can you help me? She called somebody in the campus. And about 2 hours later, a professor of zoology showed up. Wow. I mean, and this is the the friendliness of the country right from the start. Why would a professor of zoology would come to pick up a graduate student in some other department? But he showed up, he chatted with me, he talked about the university, he talked about the students, and so that's how it started. And so my experience in Canada has been mostly not interacting with Indians so much, or definitely there was no Odia then, but with basically the Canadian population. And generally my impression is that they were going overboard in trying to be friendly to foreign students.
That's so.
The reason I left India is because I always, ever since I was born, or not ever since I was born, but at whatever time I can think of, in my childhood, I wanted to be a scientist and I wanted to do research. So after getting my master's at IIT Kharagpur, I looked around and there was really no place in India that was suitable for the type of research I wanted to do. And it turned out that the University of British Columbia, Vancouver, there were professors who were willing to guide me. So that's how I showed up. Basically, the India that we left at that time was extremely poor, and the quality of the university is extremely poor. In the job market, there was virtually no job for us when we graduated from IIT. There was actually no job for us. So we, at that time, we had no choice but to leave the country.
Wow.
And the first Odia I met came up a year later. 2 Odia students turned up. One was Surya Misra, whom you all know. And the other is Nalini Hota, but he has passed away.
Okay. आपण ताले ओसार concept सिटी केबे गला आउ केबे टू सेटा that I mean it became such a big ये कि जो connection टा connectedness जोटा हेची सेटा किमती हेची.
See, long before OSA, we Odias were getting together. In my 3rd year in Vancouver, Sri Gopal Mahanti showed up with Purnima Mathur. He was a student at the University of Alberta in Edmonton. So at that time, so there were 5 Odia students in Vancouver. So we got together, and that was a big thing for us. So that way, the Odias and Indian students, the Indian students were getting together, but also there was an attraction of people of our culture. So wherever there were few Pakistanis, they also joined the Indian student, even though India and Pakistan were fighting battles. But over here, they were basically our type of people. So they were joined until more Pakistanis arrived and they would form their own group, etc. But in those days, everybody, Bangladeshi, Pakistan, India, they were all together. And Odia concept did not come about until about 12 years later when OSA was started in 1970. So there were informal gatherings of Odias, but not necessarily a formal society.
Okay. That's so nice again. So great to hear even separate side of story. But now let's come back to epoda amara East Coast re जदि भक्त बाबू किसी कहि परिबे सेतोर एक्सपीरियंस आपन कोन थिला?
Well, I won't bore you details of my 65 years of experience in the United States. I came here in the late 1955. There were no Odias. There were no Odias in the United States. In fact, there are only 90 Indians. They were all students. Doctors, dentists, businessmen, the restaurant owners, they were not allowed. Students, I used to get letters from the ambassador, Indian ambassador, every 3 months, a cyclo-style letter indicating that we are the ambassadors for India. We have to present our good picture of India and so forth. I came to Michigan as a student. I was about 20 years of age. I didn't know my head from a hole in the ground. After graduating from Remsa University, Remsa College at that time, I was coming to an area in northern Michigan to study engineering. and the temperature was -5 to -20 degrees. People were extremely nice. There are few Indians in the college, but non-ODIs, not ODIs. And there are about 6 or 7 Indians, and they are all studying various engineering degrees. And that is the environment I came. I came with a friend of mine, very dear friend, who recently retired as a professor from North Carolina, now retired, Ganesh Mohanty. We both came together. Fortunately, that was one of the saving grace that I have some company to speak to. Forgive me, I'm speaking in English because you don't want me to fumble all over the place.
Okay.
I understand. I speak Odia very well, but it is getting rusty. So anyway, I don't want to bore you about myself. You can Google my name anywhere and find all about my life. But America was very different. The people were extremely friendly, very pleasant, constantly inviting me to various houses and clubs, Kiwanis Club, Moose Club, and so on and so forth, to speak about India. They wanted to know very much about India, who is the Indians, what is their culture, what is their civilization, what is their ancestry, and so on. I knew very little, so I wrote to the embassy to send me some books to prepare my talks. It was very nice. And in fact, the invitation was so many that I had to pretend like I was getting sick. I have a bad flu. I excused myself not being able to come. That was the days in late 50s in Michigan. Then I came to Chicago, of course, to do my PhD. And on, professor at Washington State. And I won't bore you with the details. You can read about. But America was a very different place. People were extremely nice, very friendly. None of the problems that exist today. The character of the country has changed dramatically since the late 50s, soon after the Korean War, or Second World War. The character was very different, and the students were very different also. There are a lot of GI Bill people who came from Korea and wanted to get a degree, didn't know anything about anything, and wanted to get an engineering degree. And I was fortunately invited to be a tutor to all of them. And many of them were married. So I would go to their house and teach them the simple calculus, algebra, and so forth. They have forgotten everything, or little they knew before they joined the army. As time went on, Indian population increased. Indian food was available. When I came, there was no Indian food at all. And particularly those of us who couldn't eat beef, it was very difficult to adjust with just cabbage and rice. And how much can you live with cabbage and rice? Finally, I decided to join the dormitory and eat anything they give, because he can't go starving without food. I remember coming to Chicago and see this cafeteria where people line up outside to get, for $1.19, you get a huge piece of steak, a baked potato, and a salad, and a Coke or any drink for $1.19. And if there is a glass and there is a huge man standing in front of a fire, as you approach him, he throws a huge chunk of meat into the flame. No sooner he turns it over and put it on your plate. So I remember saying to myself, no matter how long I live in this country, I will never yield to this barbaric, primitive man's eating habits. What do you know? I was standing in that line.
That is really interesting. आपनकर माने सेई स्टोरी रो माने eating habits and all like सेई स्टोरी रो let's go to like हमर ओडिया कल्चर ओडिया फूड हैबिट इगुडा को माने आपण एडी आसला पर बहुत मिस करथबे ना पर्टिकुलरली म पंचानन मौसम पछारिबी mane since he is so connected, how did you even manage in the beginning like upon
ମୁଁ ଆସିଲି 1971 ରେ
again?
and fortunately right at the airport in Bhubaneswar another 3 ODIs all of it coming to Washington.
Oh wow.
Sharad Das was actually Dr. Sharad Das in New Jersey. Sanjeev Mishra there also in Maryland. And Shashi Mahanti, the dean thile Maryland University, se bhi asthile. We met all of. I did not know any one of them before. We met at the airport in Bhubaneswar. We came all the way from Bhubaneswar to New York to Washington. Shashi Babuଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆସିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନେଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ସଞ୍ଜୀବ ବାବୁଙ୍କର ସାଙ୍ଗ ଆସି ତାଙ୍କୁ ନେଇଗଲେ. Then we are left over. So we did not know what to do. So we had only $8 in our pocket. At that time, they had allowed only $8. So we selected a friend supposed to come. He did not show up. So we decided to go to the hospital. Hospital जाके confirm करें. Hospital come जाके पहुंचे. They immediately connected that person who was supposed to come. Everything went well. But anyway, in 1974 is the first USA convention I attended in Maryland University. That is, I think, 4th or 5th, something like that. Gauri Babu herka jo karthile Boston naam sunithilo, but we never had opportunity to meet. There are very few people at that time. Gokula Mishra, Vinod Babu, Shashi Mahanti, and Sarveshwar Acharya, tapore amara Bhakta Babu, even so, practically both contact hela pore. ସେମାନେ ଘରକୁ ଆମେ ଯାଉଥିଲୁ ସେମାନେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଖିଆ ପିଆ ସବୁ ଚାଲିଥିଲା exactly slowly we got it. But in 71 when I came, hardly you find anybody there. There's one Indian store was there in whole of Washington, Maryland and Virginia. And some employees from the embassy, somebody got sick or something, landed in the hospital, we operate on him, then we get a little friendly there. First time we heard he was playing some Hindi music and RCA cassette player, then we got excited at that time. And then we got familiar with them, we went to their house, they invited, and all those things happened. Then, of course, so many personal things or experience, but rather I would like to speak a little more about the OSA than my personal experience.
Again.
Okay, OSA is, when you look at that, any organization is as good as the members are.
Right.
So you have to know your weakness and strength, and your capacity, what you can do, the inability, what you cannot address. Okay? Why I'm saying this is, last meeting we discuss our Rohit Babu, our Basant Babu, so called Physics Institute was very poor. We do not have a good institute in Odisha, and the psychology department was bad. But when I go some of the hospital, I give a talk here and there. So some of those people, they said, the Kalinga Hospital opened our eyes. Before the Kalinga Hospital, no hospital that big was there at that time. So Kalinga Hospital, whether doing well or not, but they opened our mind. And anyway, what the reason I'm saying is, not only Physics Institute was bad, not good quality, psychology department not good quality. Tell me a good university, good college, which is better? Not regular college is not better. Engineering, the 60 engineering colleges in Bhubaneswar. And what is the quality of that? Hospitals are also there. They're much better than before, but still the technology is not filtered down to the consumer. Same thing a situation. So now you think about they said what you're going to do, what you want to do, our department is bad, this thing, Physics Institute. What can you do? That is, you have to know, is the OSA can build something there? OSA cannot do that in capacity. We should have money who can spend that kind of money, technology, know-how, then it will be useful. When we do not have the strength. But we have done a lot of good things also there, that may not have done for OSA, but individually. Like a group of doctors, they're calling hospital. I'm a Pokemon son of the university, Polahandi seed program. These are good things happen, so, and all this cultural guitar, nacho, so we have a good contact with the Odisha and people continuously coming and going. Same thing we do in the Jagannath Society also. We bring a couple of speakers every year and a team of dancers, they come and perform in front of the Lord Jagannath and all those things. We have to know our capacity, how much you can do, how much you cannot do. Otherwise, keep on discussing that in meeting is more difficult. It's like Aranya Rodana, you know, that's how we land up with. Would like to see, there's a good aim. It's good to bring it to the attention of the people, but the members. But at the same time, we are not able to adjust that efficiently, better way, incapacity on our part. Then, our you know, this OSA more than 50 years alani. We do not have a permanent office anyway. We need a permanent office where the executive committee can address it, secretary should work, you pay attention to other important things. That is not there. And there are 80% of the people, I say in Nashville, they are not members of the OSA. They ask what OSA will do for us. Not you don't ask the question what OSA will do. Ask what you can do for OSA. It's very important. And you can afford. So bahar ki jagah pizza khai de, beer pee de, they will spend $50, but they don't want to be a member of the OSA. Why? You know, that's the important thing. There are so many problems there. And small family want to go to OSA means he has to spend at least $1,500 or something like that. Jiba, Shiba, Khaiba, Piba, registration, all those things. So it becomes relatively expensive to average small family. So it becomes a little more expensive. I know we cannot do anything much about it, but everything is expensive nowadays. And that is when OSA can do something, encouraging them or something like that, like to see, but it is a very hard problem. Youth man can encourage that's very good. You know, OSA sometimes it clashes with Rath Yatra, which cannot leave and go because Odias are one of the main people who run the show for Rath Yatra. And they discussed in general body meeting several times, I remember, but no solution could be found. So, but our organization is big enough, people will go there, people will come here, and throughout the country, the OSA, the Rath Yatra is going now, and the same is falling around the July 4th and around that. When it doesn't, no class is there, we go, we try to go. So those are some of the practical problems. 74 is the first convention. I'm so ରୋଷେଇ କରିକି ଆଣିକି ଦେଇ ରଖିଥିଲି ସେଟା ମୋ ଆଗରେ ପଡିଥିଲା କ୍ଷୀରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କ୍ଷୀରି ଅଣ୍ଡାରେ କରି ଆଣି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଓଷା ଫରାଜ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ
ମୁଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ଓଷା ମାନେ ମୋର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ରେ ଆମର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ରେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବହୁତ ବାଟ ଆସିଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଯଦି ଆମେ ମୂଳରୁ ଦେଖିବା କୌଣସି ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ତ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ସବୁବେଳେ ଭଲ ଯେ କିଛିଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ନୂଆ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଛୁ ସବୁ କନଭେନସନ ରେ and if you look at the positive side we have come a long way our youth ho women hontu jiye hontu I just wanted to make that point that we can get some negatives but we have lot of positives we have got. It has become very expensive that I agree but including a chitta daba chitta deikiri jo gote award ceremony heithila gote convention re and taathu bolikri au konasi ko batre tame sanskriti ko bajaye rakhibo those are all leadership that everybody has provided. Any point.
Thank you
mu kichu kahibi ki
agya kontu
acha first of all I want to tell you something about Digambar. Digambar mane apan jani nathiyo bodhe at one time mane OSA's membership was so low, few hundred, and there was a concerted effort to increase the membership. And one year Digambar was I think you were executive secretary or he was arbitrarily appointed by the president.
Yes.
Hemant Senapati.
Lot
And
of controversies were there. Yeah.
lot of controversies about his appointment, everything else. Kintu Digambar did huge amount of work trying to get members into OSA. Mane Odia mane thile kei member ho natle. Everybody has these stories. Mane eti these Odia achanti 10 jan member. But Digambar jaiki tanko goda hato chuingri tanko member kare. And mane and Digambar, I have publicly criticized Digambar all the time, but we are friends, and so. But I also, but you must also recognize what he has done from OSA. Mane at a critical point, he increased the membership, I think by several hundred. So for that, I think OSA needs to thank him.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
लालू बाबू क्रिटिसाइज करिबा जो सेटा बोधे हमर ओसार गोटे परंपरा हमें करिथाओ किंतु हमें पुणी
सबुठ भलो होची जे माने मु मोर हस्बैंड बोली कहूनी, but he always liked those criticisms. He never really liked any consistency in everything. He wanted some change. So it is amazing how he was accepting those criticisms.
Wow.
Actually, never personally, because he was always for the organization. Never took it personally. So Lalu Babu and Manoranjan Babu, they all actually were contributors. Actually, they helped the leadership to grow. By
Wonderful. This is what is the maturity of the organization. It's so amazing to hear all these stories.
I'm southern chapter for Farmland, around 79, 80, something like that. Nashville, the Tinta family chile, Vishnu Chandra Joshi, Radhakanta Mishra, and I was there. And then in Huntsville, Pramod Babu chile, Prahalad Babu chile, kete dini pore amar Digambar Babu chile. A very small group which formed Osaka thing, southern chapter. But all were doing their own job and we contributing a lot.
एठी खाली मो गोटे छोट कथाटा कहबी मु जानची माने दिगंबर भाईना निश्चय किछि त गोटे करिथिले काहे कि ना एबे भी ओडिसा रे माने हम सीनियर्स केते मु केतेबेले गले किले अच्छा से दिगंबर बाबू अछंती कोन सब करछंती ओसारा एंती कहबे तापरे कहबे जे सी जेतेबेले प्रेसिडेंट थिले तांको एठी हमें ओएसए न कहे कि यूएसए रा प्रेसिडेंट बोली जानथिले मु कहले हां ओसारा एते बढ़िया आपना बाना पूरा बढ़िया रे उड़े थिले बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमर एमपी पायोनियर सब थिले अनिल
और ओसा प्रेसिडेंट कहले हम ओसा प्रेसिडेंट कहले हमके ट्रम्प संग रे कंपेयर करिया पड़ियो
So no, that is so wonderful to hear. अच्छा एबे हम नृत्युंजय बाबू किसी सुनी ने नृत्युंजय बाबू आपण किसी कहबे आपण के एक्सपीरियंस से टाइम रो
कौन कहबी मो आसी 1969
वाओ
1969 मो आसीबार केही ओडिया नथिले मात्रा न्यूयॉर्क पहुंचली प्रथम रे ओडिया मु जहा को जानिथली एक कंट्री सीतकंठ भाई से हमर बुढ़ा ना और फिर मु कहली से आतले गोटे सी मात्रा आगु तो केही ओडिया नथिले कि ओडिया खाद्य छाड़ ओडिया दुकान छाड़ ओडिया भाषा नहीं पको लालू बाबू जे पहले जे फोन करिया भेले गोटा मिनिट 3 टका लागत के भी कहबे दीटा पर हम फोन करिवो लाइन न मिलले तो ये सब तो एमती फास्ट ओडिया जो मीट कली जे ले विश्वनाथ ये भी गोटे मु मास्टर्स कला तापरे उसको पर मु जानली ए दिगंबर कके जोस्ना करी एवन को बाके सोले प्रमोद मु जानली तापरे जीवास हुए तो आस्ते आस्ते जानली फर्स्ट कोरिया कन्वेंशन एक्शन करथली मिनियापोलिस 19 तापर मु आसी ता पूर्वरो मते मु ए दिगंबर ओके हम सब ओके जाऊ ओके करी ए माने सेतोले मु ओसार सदन चैप्टर मते प्रेसिडेंट करे बिल ओसा कोन जान तापर आस्ते आस्ते एमती ओसार तो वर्तमान एते बड़ हलानी के काहू जानते
ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନମସ୍କାର ଖୁଡୀ।
ତମ ଘରେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଖାଇଥିଲୁ ବାର୍ବିକ୍ୟୁ ଚିକେନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
the first barbecue chicken in America क्या ହେଇଥିଲା ତମର ଇଏରେ ଗ୍ରିଲ କରିଥିଲ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ଗ୍ରିଲ we'll never forget that. Thank you
for remembering that.
मृत्युंजय बाबू ठीक मृत्युंजय आपण विश्वनाथ शॉ विषय कहले आपण विश्वनाथ शॉ विषय कहले सही शॉ फैमिली से माने दे हैव सपोर्टेड ओसा ये जो souvenir in the directory with advertisements consistently mane you have to whatever role they played they have out of the hearts they supported with advertisements both the directory and the magazine
ଏବେ ସବୁ ଡିରେକ୍ଟର ପଛପଟରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ଦେଖିଛ
योती से ताना सत्यव्रत शाह
सत्यव्रत शाह
ମୁଁ ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ମାସରେ 3 ମାସ ମୁଁ ଖାଇନି କିଛି ଆଉ ଭାତ ଦୁଧ ବ୍ରେଡ ଆଉ ଫ୍ରୁଟ ଆଉ ଇଚ୍ଛା ନାହିଁ ହୋମ ସେ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ ଟୁ ଗो ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ନାଇଁ କାହିଁକି ମାତି ନ ଲୋକମାନେ ପଶିବେ ଗାଁ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିଲେ ତ ଆଇ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଡୁ ଦିସ୍ ତାପରେ ସବୁ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଲା ବୁଢ଼ା ନାଇଁ ଫଙ୍କସନ ହେଲା ଏଇ ଦିଗମ୍ବର ପକେ they all gave me support. That's how
wow तापरे आगे आपण मानकर फैमिली जते बेले फैमिली लाइफ रे जते बेले जते छुआ माने हेले हाउ डिड आई मीन हाउ वाज इट टू बी एट दैट टाइम काहे ना वर्तमान त हमर माने आपण मन जेंति कहला बळे वर्तमान वी हैव द लग्जरी ऑफ लाइक हैविंग 100 वी फैमिलीज अराउंड अस किंतु सेते बेले आपण को नथिल सेते बेले किंती आपण कर
we were looking for some help whoever it I'm 1976
yeah 76 मु आसिली
सेते बेले हमर फर्स्ट सीमा हेल्प तो
हमर एक्चुअली ओडिया कह मृत्युंजय कह
ना कहबा ए सेती बेले कोन हमर त पाखरे के नथले मिनिमम 300 माइल 200 माइल 250 माइल के जे थांती हमें से विकल हो जाउसे आइना ओडिया खाद्य मिलियो मोर मन अछि से बिजनेस दिन जाके इवनिंग रे खाली फ्राइडे इवनिंग क्लास करला परे तो कहले मृत्युंजय हम घर पास खाइबा भात डाली कोबी भजा देले दैट वाज द हेवन फॉर
हमें भी किछि स्टोरी सुनिछु आपण माने पखाळ खाया पई सेंति 200 300 माइल जाय कि पखाळ खाया पई जाउतले
पखाळ पार्टी को देछि पंचानन घर को जाऊ तास खेलटा हुए सेतबेले से चेरी आसीबो चेरी रे पानी पड़िबो ता देर लूण पड़िबो लंका पड़िबो जर तास खेल पाखरे समस्त खाइबे चेरी सब आसीबो पंचानगर माने थिबो कि नाही दोज आर रियल गोल्डन डेज
मते किंतु एबे गोटे क्वेश्चन पचरिया को एम्ति हठात इच्छा ला जे सेते बेले आपण खाइबा को जदी एम्ति खोजतले ताले कोन अपेक्षा करतले कि बाहा आइ कि आसीले माने स्त्री आसीले ना नाही आपण माने भी निजे निजे
रोसे होतो
नहीं आप बाहा आगर लाइफ इज डिफरेंट बाहाला पर लाइफ इज डिफरेंट
let's say the food quality improved after the wife arrived
तमरे जीवने नुवा बाहाई के आस्तबे तांकर संग बोधे बेसी बढ़ जाउतबे केवल आसी खाइबा को
हम बेले थिले प्रमोद बाबू हमें 50 माइल आसु हमें दि जणा स्टूडेंट थिलु गोटे समय रे अनुसारे प्रमोद बाबू कहि पे तू सब शनिवार पड़े आसीबू आउ तोर जदी तू स्टूडेंट अछु मु तोर गैस फिल कर देबी हैं तो गाड़ी रे तू खाली पहुंच जा एंड हमें सब वीकेंड रे आसुतलु विश्वास करिवेनी हमर पिला माने हमें वेरी ग्रेटफुल टुडे दैट पंचानना को चिल्ड्रन देवी बाबूस चिल्ड्रन प्रमोद बाबूस चिल्ड्रन हमर पिला मृत्युंजय को छुआ एंड दे ऑल हैव ग्रेट कनेक्शंस टुडे बिकॉज़ हमें आसुतलु एंड हमर सेतले नीड थिला अवश्य but we enjoyed to the fullest. And say type of connection now asibani. Even if we don't see them physically, we always remember them in a very, very different way because they all grew up together.
But I think the quality of bonding of Odia families in an alien society is different from the quality of bonding for the same age group in Odisha.
Exactly. Yeah.
It is much, much deeper. Here the friendship we made during those early days lasts a lifetime. It is unbelievably close.
Unbelievable.
When I compare the strength of our bonds, friendships with my colleagues, white colleagues who grew up here, they don't have that level of linkage between themselves. I mean, you see them, they are lonely because they don't have any friends of the type we have. Amar to kod aji nohale eti kaha ghar ku chali gale sange sange they will welcome you, they'll feed you, you can spend hours without any problem. Eti mor gote retired friend achi ghare baschi kichi nai tara nobody. When I see the quality of life we had as foreigners here, it is better than the quality of life we would have in the social level in India, and from the quality of life that my colleagues here have right now of my age group.
କେତେ ବଡ କଥା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ। ଆମେ ଆମର ଭାବିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏଠି ଆସିକି ଗୋଟେ ପରିବାର ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଅଜାଣତାରେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ପରିବାର ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ମାନେ ଘର ତ ଛାଡିକି ଆସିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସବୁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଲାଲୁ ଆମକୁ ଚିହ୍ନି ନଥିଲୁ। ଆମେ ନାଁ ଧରିକି କହୁ ବଡ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଟାଇମ୍ ମ୍ୟାଗାଜିନରେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରେକ୍ଟ
ଟାଇମ୍ ମ୍ୟାଗାଜିନରେ ଆସିଥିଲା।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆଚ୍ଛା wow it's great.
Actually, Digambar I did not know Digambar, nor did he know me, but he's a student of my younger brother Lalit. And Lalit had two students in Ravinsa College. One was Digambar, the other one was Ghodei. And Lolita's prediction was Digambar will become a politician and Ghodei will become a professor. Actually, opposite happened. Ghodei became a politician and Digambar became a professor.
So, आपण मानकर सेतबेले जो पर्व पर्वाणी जो आस्तुला सेतुल किमते करथले माने आपण किछि इमतिया सेलिब्रेट करबा
हमरो एठी अलाबामा रे हम करथुलु सब बेले सेलिब्रेट करथुलु कुमार पूर्णिमा।
आगे
मोर मने अछि ए हम झियो माने समस्त एकाठी जिबे गीत बोलिबे सब भागवत साहू अछंती सब पंचानन बाबू हम सब एकाठी होतुलु केते जन फैमिली कुमार पूर्णिमा सेलिब्रेट हुए। एंड से जो हमरो सावित्री अमावास्या एकाठी बेले बेले करथुलु जते बेले एकाठी थिलु सब। सो जतिकटा मोर मने पड़छ साउथ रे एई केतटा हम एक्चुअली करथुलु, अदरवाइज पर्सनली आई गेस प्राइवेटली प्रोबेबली सब जे जा करथुओ, किंतु एई हमें सब एकाठी होतुला। हमर साउथ रे गोटे एडवांटेज थिला सेते बेले जे बेसी ओडिया नथिले तो तने हमें वी आर रियली वेरी वेरी क्लोज with each other. हमें परस्पर को 3-4 वर्ष 5 वर्ष न देखले भी we have the same bonding in heart.
इनिशियल स्टेज रो ओसार माने आपण मानकर जो मने थिबो की सब थिले मु जस्ट ना सुनिया को बहुत इच्छा होचे।
एठी हमर अलाबामा रे थिले प्रमोद पटनायक थिले। अच्छा शरद प्रहराज थिले हैं पंचानन बाबू एंड या एंड मूर्तिंजय से आमर सब चिन्हा पड़े आम सब एकाठी होतुलु सब बेले आउ कि हमर राधाकांत मिश्र।
अच्छा
किरण सेनापति से स्टूडेंट हिक आस्थिला एक्चुअली आउ केतले प्रमोद घरे मो आम पुओ एपर्यंत कहे प्रमोद घर टा होटल भलिया लागे। वीकेंड हेले तांका घरे बधे प्राय 6-7टा फैमिली आसी जाय। Wonderful gathering.
But again, Pramod Patnaik was a real leader of OSA. Mane he was culturally active, drama karuthile, ye karuthile, tanko ghare sabu bale odia mane gathering hothile. Mane he was a presence. He in not just from Alabama but all over North America.
ଘରୁ
ये
ଟାଣିକି
आसिक हमर कनाडा को धरी आसंती पूरा दल दल धरी के सब कनाडा रे कॉटेज पिकनिक आस उठी जिवे
बाप रे वाह
ओडिया जने आसिला माने से रखिले शीघ्र आसो
think of it he and his family drove 1,000 miles to meet other ODIs in Canada.
वाह
मुझे जने एक लीडिंग रिसर्चर कुला मिश्रा लालो कर स्टूडेंट बोले
नहीं से वो क्लासमेट
नमस्ते क्लासमेट ना
आसवे अक्षय महांती आसले गीत बोलिया पे
अक्षय महांती प्रफुल्ल कर सिकंदर आलम सब
सिकंदर आलम
माने 1980 आड़ू को बोले डकाडकी कले इंडिया रु
हां 80 आई थिंक
सुनंदा पटनायक
या प्रफुल्ल कर
अच्छा सुनंदा पटनायक आगुरु आस्थिले मु भाबिली प्रथमे आस्थिले से 2012 रे बोल नै आगुरु
और जते जैसे हला जगन्नाथ सोसाइटी फर्स्ट मीटिंग शी वाज देयर
माने ये इट मस्ट नॉट बी फॉरगॉटन माने हमें जो 1970 80 भितरे ओडिया कल्चर वाज इन डेंजर माने ओडिसी वाज नॉट दैट ऑल सपोर्टेड by funding etc से हमें जो डॉके के आनिलु अन्य फलरे our artist could claim जाकरी इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट हले एते शहर रे ये क्वेश्चन so their prestige went up inside the art itself level went up because of support of ODIs in North America.
That's a very good point. बहुत बढ़िया
and a lot of people donated privately before OSA had any this thing, but they donated privately supporting the arts in Odisha.
आउ गोटे क्वेश्चन मानुक आछि जे आपण माने जेतबळे आसीतिले आपण तो जेंती माने एठी कर गोटे मेन स्ट्रीम सहित ये करिया पई आपणकर थिबो पिल्ला माने बड़ जेतबळे हेले से माने बड़ होथिबे तो तांकू ओडिया रूट ता आपण माने दबाको किछि कष्ट होथिला ना से मानकु केते आपण हम जो जहा संस्कृति जहा भी कहंतु केते दूर
हम पिला माने गोटे पॉइंट कहबी अन्य माने भी कहबे अवश्य मु हम पिला माने जेतले बढ़ुथिले सेतबेले गुडाय जिंस हम करूथुलु ट्रायल एंड एरर रे बिकॉज़ हमर एक्चुअली सेतबेले बेसी रोल मॉडल नथिले पर्टिकुलरली इन साउथ हमर तो बेसी ओडिया नथिले हमें सब एकाठी होउथुलु से माने सब जानुथिले सब किंतु लैंग्वेज इज वन थिंग हमर एतरा जणा नथिला जे इन छुआ बेलु लैंग्वेज तांकु रखिया कथा तो आम पिला माने इवन टुडे माने बुझुचंती ओडिया बुझुचंती बट दे आर नॉट वेरी फ्लुएंट in speaking so बर्तमान younger generation you know they know better actually किंतु आमर गुडाय जिंस रे स्ट्रगल जो टिपिकल फर्स्ट जनरेशन इमिग्रेंट्स का जो स्ट्रगल आम बेले सेटा बहुत थिला विजिबल एंड गुडाय जिंस हमें जानि नथिलु एक्चुअली बट वी ट्राइड आवर बेस्ट बिकॉज़ वी लव्ड आवर चिल्ड्रन वी वांटेड देम टू बी सक्सेसफुल एंड जति की पारुथुलु with all the best intentions हमें तको बढ़ौथुलु किंतु केतोडा जिंस एक्चुअली जणा नथिला सेते बेले एक्चुअली but I think we did a good job.
I think the early settlers here, early immigrants, one thing we did not realize or understand what our role will be in this society. So whether we may not be, we had met mostly friendly people, but what will our children face in a society that was largely segregated? Mane mu tale Houston re thili 3 वर्ष thili segregation was in full form. Mane the blacks were not allowed to sit in the buses in the front. They always had to sit in the back. They could not enter a restaurant. If they entered a restaurant, they had to buy the food and get out. They could not sit in the restaurant. Wow. They could not use public washrooms, only washrooms that said for black only. Wow. And in that level of segregation, what will our children face? That was a big unknown. So we face the same problem, whether we should teach them Odia values with an eye to returning to India, or we should teach them American values to stay here. that a dilemma that was never fully resolved.
Oh.
And I was fully aware that in 2 generations, all immigrants lose their native language and culture. So even in my generation, children of my generation, I noticed that even those who know Odia, can understand Odia, can survive in Odisha, but they have no love for the language. They do not they do not read with pleasure a Odia journal, Odia newspaper, Odia short story. So their children will have less of that, and by the 2nd generation or 3rd generation, however hard we try, the culture will disappear. They will only remember that, yes, my old man came from India some time back.
We always approach with an open mind. Because the children learn from you, you also learn a lot of things from children.
Yeah, that's true.
ଆମେ ନ୍ୟାସପିଲ୍ରେ ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସ୍କୁଲ କରିଥିଲୁ, ରାଧାକାନ୍ତ ମିଶ୍ରଙ୍କ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମର ପିଲାମାନେ ସବୁ ବସି ପଢୁଥିଲେ, ଏବେ ବି ସେମାନେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
ପ୍ରଭୁ ଆମର ନ୍ୟାସପିଲ୍ରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 3-4 ଜଣ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଅନଲାଇନ କ୍ଲାସ କରୁଛେ, ଯୋଉଠି ଆରାଉଣ୍ଡ 80 ପିଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ନ୍ୟାସପିଲ୍ ପାଖାପାଖି ସବୁ। ତ ହଁ, ସେଇଟା ଆମର ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ସବୁବେଳେ ରହିଯାଏ, ରାଇଟ୍। ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା ପଢିବା ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ଇଏ ଦରକାର, ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛି ସେତେବେଳର ଯାହା ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଥିଲା। ମୃତ୍ୟୁଞ୍ଜୟ ବାବୁ କଣ ଆଡ୍ କରିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ?
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଓଷା ବି
ମୋର ମନ ଅଛି, ଛୁଆମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯିବେ, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗଲୁ ମାସେ ରହିଗଲୁ, କାଲି ଆସିବେ, ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଟିଚରମାନେ ପଚାରି ସେ କାହିଁକି ଭାଷା ପଢୁନି, ଆଜି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସବୁ କହିକି ଆସିଛି। ଆଇଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଜେଜେବାପା ନହେଲେ ଏଠି ଗଲା ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କଥା କହିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା ଇଂଲିଶ କଥା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି, କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହଉଛି। ମୋର ମନ ଅଛି ଟିଚର ଫୋନ କରିକି କଣ ହେଇଛି ତାର, ଟିକେ କଣ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି, ଏଠୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲୁ ତାର ଇଏ ହଉଛି, ସେ କଣଟା କରିବ, ସେ ଭାବିପାରୁନି କଣଟା କହିବ, ଇଂଲିଶ କହିବ ନା ଓଡ଼ିଆ କହିବ, କଣଟା
ସବୁ ସତ୍ୟ। ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଟିକେ କଳିକଜିଆ ହୁଏ, ସେଟା ଟିକେ ଆନନ୍ଦର ପରିବେଶ ତିଆରି ହୁଏ। ହବ କଳି ହବ ପୁଣି
କିନ୍ତୁ ଓଷା କିନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ରୋଲ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାଣ୍ଟ ରୋଲ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ପ୍ଲେ କରିଛି ଆମ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବି।
Not only that, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଓଷା ଗଲା ପରେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗ ସର୍କଲ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଭଲପ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତାଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଲେଭେଲ, ତାଙ୍କର କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ, ତାପରେ ଘରେ ଆମର ଟିକେ ପୂଜା କଲେ କି ମୁଣ୍ଡିଆଟି ମାରିଲେ କି they are conscious, they are seeing all those things. ଆମର ଆଜି ଏକ୍ସାମ ଅଛି, ଟିକେ ପ୍ରେ କରିବ, at least they are conscious of that. You're putting a seed there. You don't know when the seed will go into a plant, in a tree. You don't know. But all this, every little bit is important. What I'm saying.
ଝିଅ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଲେଖିଲା, ସୋନିର ଲେଖାଟି ଛପା ହେଲା, ଟାଇଟଲ ହେଲା ହଳିବ। ଏ ପ୍ରକାର ପରିବେଶ ଭିତରେ ବି ଆମେ ବଢିଛୁ, ବଢିଛନ୍ତି।
ସୋନି କହିଲା ଯେ ଦିଗମ୍ବର ମଉସା ଅଙ୍କଲ ବୋଧେ ଖାଲି ତାସ ଖେଳନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କର ହଉଛି ଆମେରିକାରେ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ଜବ୍। ସେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ସେଟା
କଣ ଚାକିରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ପଚାରିଲା ତାଙ୍କୁ, ସେ ତାସ ଖେଳନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କହିଲା।
ତମେ କଣ କହୁଛ? ଆମର ଉତ୍କଳ ସବୁଠୁ ପିଲା ଲୋକ, କିନ୍ତୁ
ମତେ ଶୁଣିକି ମୋର ଲାଗୁଛି ଏମିତି ଷ୍ଟୋରି, ନେଭର ଏଣ୍ଡିଂ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଏମିତି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହଉଛି। ଗପ ଶୁଣିବା ବଢିଆ ଲାଗେ, ଏଇଟା ଶୁଣିବା ବଢିଆ ଲାଗୁଛି।
Thank you so much.
ନମସ୍କାର everybody, ନମସ୍କାର।
ଆମେ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 50 ବର୍ଷର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କହିବେ କେମିତି 5 ମିନିଟରେ ତ ସରିବନି, ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଫେରୁଥିବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ।
very good, we are enjoying it, thank you so much।
ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ।
ଅନିଲ ବାବୁ, thanks for calling me last time I couldn't join, sorry for that।
Thank you
so much, we'll talk।
ବଢିଆ ଲାଗିଲା।